Well, schools in Oklahoma may soon be asking parents and students, are you a citizen? It's all due to a new rule passed today by the State Board of Education.
Lawmakers and the governor must give it the okay before it becomes official. As News 4's John Hayes tells us, this rule could open the door to legal battles, right, John?
That's exactly right, Heather. Lawmakers and legal experts I talked to say not only does this potentially traumatize communities and harm public schools, but there is no doubt taxpayer dollars would have to front legal bills.
We want information on who's in the country legally or not.
State Superintendent Ryan Walters spelling out rules given the green light by the State Board of Education Tuesday, which would require schools to ask legal guardians at enrollment, are your family members legal U.S. citizens or not? State lawmakers will have the final say on whether the rule moves forward.
This state superintendent is putting school leaders and school officials in very difficult positions.
The executive director of the American Civil Liberties Union of Oklahoma tells me she's disappointed, especially after hearing this from Superintendent Walters.
If federal law enforcement comes into a school or calls us to get information, we're going to work with them.
They should not be delving into these issues at all.
In a letter sent to parents Tuesday, Oklahoma City Public School Superintendent Dr. Jamie Polk pointing out the ACLU's biggest concern. As we have always maintained, every child has the right to a quality public education. This right is protected under federal law, and OKCPS will continue to uphold it while adhering to state and federal regulations. Oklahoma City Attorney and Democratic Senator Michael Brooks Jimenez explains where that protection exists.
Currently, Supreme Court precedent in the case of Plyler versus Doe ensures that children K through 12, regardless of immigration status, have a right to an education.
While the rule changes don't explicitly deny education, the ACLU argues it could lead to a slippery slope.
The state superintendent nor schools are in any position qualified to implement federal immigration law.
Tulsa Democratic Representative Michelle McCain is on the House committee that will consider the rule changes.
I think it's just irresponsible of taxpayer funds and time and energy. I have already talked to teachers who've said that they have kids that are not in class now.
Now, everyone I talked to today encouraging families to continue sending their kids to school as these rules are not taking effect immediately. McCain did say, though, she understands some families will have to do what's best for them.